Hello, and welcome to Nails for the Week. My name is Lori, and I hope you're having an absolutely fabulous day. I know I am because you're here and we get to play in the nail room. If you haven't already, please do consider subscribing. It's free for you and means the world to me. So let's get started. Well, it's been a while since I have bought anything Maniology, and I just decided let's see what it actually costs and how hard it is to actually get one of their free nail kits. So this is what we are going to look at today. But first, we are going to look at what's on my nails. It is Immortal by Nail Reserve LA. It is a beautiful peachy color, whited out peach. So pretty. I love it. All right, so now when you went in there, or when I went in there, you could choose from 3 or 4, or 4 or 5 or something. There were quite a few different ones. So I knew I didn't have any cat plates, so I decided to go ahead and get on the prowl, which is the cat plate. And this is everything that I got. We got the plate, we got a little manual that tells you exactly how to do your stamping, and a QR code for any videos that you might want to watch to learn how to stamp. We're just going to take this glue off. Maybe. It's always such pain, isn't it? To get that blue film off when you have nails. It's not near as hard when you don't have fingernails. Oh, but how many people that don't have fingernails want to do stuff with their nails? Come on, give me a break. So this is the plate. I thought it was kind of cute, especially since I got my new little Stella. Perfect. I thought the cat lady was funny. You got a kitten? You gotta be kidding me? I know I'm dumb. Crazy cat lover? Maybe. I think so. That's probably my problem. All right, you get these little mini scrapers. They are kind of thin. I do actually like these the best. I guess it really depends on the plate, but I really do like these for most stampers. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I have a code. I do have a code. It's nails410. You get 10% off any Maniology products. I think I get a little bit of a kickback on that, but not much, if anything. I've never gotten paid for it. Let's put it that way. So, let's see. What else do we got? Oh, yeah. One of their little ice cube stampers. And it's not a sticky one. So, just so you know. But I do like their little ice cube stampers. I think they're about the perfect size and shape for your nails. So that was kind of this little polish duo is kind of a pain in the butt to get out of the box. I know. So, yeah, you just pull them out straight down, and they're just 2 little bottles. The one has white stamping polish in it, and the other one is no smear or smudge-free top coat, which I actually do have a few smudge-free top coats from Maniology. A few, as in, yeah, they work really great. Oh, there's my Stella. She decided to come and see what I was up to. Hi, Stella. She's a cutie. She's like, well, this video is about kitties, so I get to be here too, right? I get to help. She likes to help. By help, I mean get in the way and sit right in front of me so that I can't do anything. Yeah. Until I bother her enough, and she'll then go sit in her little bed and protect me, make sure nobody is coming after me out the window. Yeah, she's a cutie. She's keeping watch. So the first thing you're going to want to do with your plate, after you take the blue film off, of course, is to wash it with some pure acetone. And generally a lint-free wipe. That wasn't lint-free, but hey, whatever works. It's not so linty that it gets caught on the plate, you know. Anyway, let's try this out. Try the white out. See how it looks. And I know that the plate is going to work fantastic because Maniology, they don't play when they make a plate. It's good. They're always good. Let's just scrape a couple of times. And there you go. Swish and flick. And just put her down. And there you go. Just super cute. Super easy. No harm, no foul. I'm showing you that the smudge-free top coat does not smudge them at all. Although it kind of looks like it does right now because the shine of the top coat is hitting the light and making it look like it's smudging. So we're gonna put on the little cat lady kitty here. We're gonna put her on our nails, on my nail, but not the smudge-free top coat. How about we use the white white polish, huh, Lori? Okay. It's a good idea. Now, initially, I wasn't planning on doing this to my nails, but I thought, oh, this one's so cute. It'll look so cute on my nails. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on my pointer finger. There we go. That one's cute. Now, which other one should we put on? Gotta have something else on there. Can't just have one thing on my pointer finger. Although it's super cute. Oh, I think the white and this immortal color goes really well together. Don't you? It's just like the perfect little, just the smudge-free top coat. Very cute. No sponge. No sponge. No smudging at all. Looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and go with this one right here and put it on our middle finger. Make sure I got enough polish. I always use too much polish. I know. But I always feel like I need that just to cover it completely. One swipe, swish, and flick. And stamp her down on the nail. Now what you're going to want to do is just go put it where you want it and then push straight down. Straight down, and then you kind of smooch it around a little bit to make sure that it's on the sides of the nail, that it got really stuck down well. There we go. So glad I'm in screen. Jeez, Lori, come on. Well, I got my Maniology cleanup brush. Come on, focus. Guess it just doesn't want to focus on the glitter. Oh, that's too bad. I'm just going to dip that in a little bit of acetone and clean up my fingernail. And this brush worked absolutely fantastic for this, which is good because that's what it was made for. Just going to kind of slowly make sure all that extra white polish is gone and out of the way. There you go. Well, it turned out pretty cute. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the description box below. Have you tried Maniology yet? I have several of their blades. Are you going to try them? Let me know down in the description box below. Let me know what you think of Maniology, or if you are ever going to try them. If you do try them, don't forget to use my code. It's nails410. It will be down in the description box below, along with a link. The link has nothing to do with me, but it's just there for you. Like if you thought this video was worth liking. If you're not already, please do consider subscribing, and I will see you again next time. Bye!